In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add digital signatures to your invoices in Zoho Invoice. Adding a digital signature to your invoices is a great way to enhance security and lend authenticity and professionalism to your business communications. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to begin from the Zoho home screen. Once you're there, navigate to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the settings cog located right next to your profile icon. Give that a click. Now you'll find yourself presented with a range of settings options. Within this menu, you'll want to look for and select Customization, and then head over to PDF Templates. This is where you can manage various templates related to your documents. Next, you'll need to select Invoices. It might open automatically, but if it doesn't, just look under the Templates section and click on Invoices to bring up your templates. Once you're on the invoice page, locate the Edit button, which will allow you to open and modify your invoice template. On the editing screen, pay attention to the left side where you'll find a range of options. Look for Other Details and go ahead and select Signature. This is the key area where you can upload your digital signature file. Make sure your signature is in a compatible format and then assign it a name. It could be your name or your business name, whatever works for your situation. Now here's a handy tip. If you're linked with Zoho Sign, this process becomes even more streamlined. This integration simplifies adding and managing signatures, but do keep in mind, this option is not available in Zoho's free version. Whether you choose to upload directly or through Zoho Sign, rest assured your documents will be secure and professional. You also have the flexibility to add additional signatures if needed. Simply choose the appropriate spot on your document where you'd like to add another signature. And that's it. You've successfully added digital signatures to your Zoho Invoice templates. This small change can make a big difference by providing an enhanced layer of verification and trust for your business. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.